Hey friends, it's Elizabeth here from the Everyday Storyteller, and I thought I would do something a little bit different to introduce you to the August Storytellers Club Kit. So for August, I'm actually going to be doing a little walkthrough of everything that comes in the Storyteller Kit for August. Obviously, we have these 2 pages of journal prompts. I believe there was about 50 prompts in here to help you tell the story of back to school season, current happenings, and of course everyday life in August. So those are the journal prompts. I also have included 2 7x9 pattern papers. The first one is what I'm calling Happy Florals, which is this really pretty floral pattern. All of these are hand drawn, and I decided to size the pattern paper 7x9 just to give you a little bit of wiggle room in case you were doing full page 6x8s or something like that. This one I'm calling the August Highlights pattern. It's a text-based pattern with the August highlight phrase highlighted in multiple colors. Which I really love. I love all of those words. And speaking of words, I also have a collection of word strips with sentiments like summer nights, vacation vibes, fun in the sun, fun looks like this, what day is it, and you can do this. I love all the bright colors in this kit, the reds, the pinks, the greens, and a little bit of pops of yellow. So that is definitely one of my favorite elements of this kit this month. Next up are 3 circle embellishments. This one says currently reading. The next one says remember when, and then the third one says back to school. These are 2.5 inches in size, so you could add a little something in the middle or even write some journaling. I've also included some word art. This one says story time. I love that font and all of the colors in the word story. This one says love this memory. And then the last one says adventure is out there. A little bit of Disney fun for you guys. The next thing I have are these little arrows. I have 3 of them, again, one in green, one in pink, and then one in peach. I like to add my date on that little white part on these arrows and then add it to my layout. But of course you can add anything you want. You could add a sentiment or something like that. One of the last things I have are these florals. So these complement the floral pattern and you get kind of a bunch of variety of which flowers are included. All of these are hand drawn by yours truly. And these were really fun to make. I love these florals. They came out so well. And I think this would be really fun to add on to a journaling page. You could print these out on vellum. There's a bunch of things that you can do, and I'd love to hear what you would like me to do for the freebies this month. I'd love to include some of that. And then the last thing that I have are these tags. This one says highlights. This one says details with the numbers 1 through 5. And then these 2 tags are slightly smaller and have some florals printed on them. So that is the August Storytellers Club Kit. Oh, whoops, I forgot something. One of the prompts is actually to take a photo for every day of the week and add it to your journaling. So I also have these little banners with the initial of each day of the week. So that is all of the August Storytellers Club Kit, and I'm really excited to see what you guys do with it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.